Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a reminder in your Google Sheets. So, for example, you have the to-do list file in Google Sheet, and then if you want to set a reminder so that you won't miss a schedule or a task, you can just use the reminder feature in Excel, and I'm going to show you how to set that. So first, to set a reminder, you need to go to the extension and then you need to get add reminder add-ons. You can find it in the Google Workspace Marketplace. You can just click get add-ons and then find the add reminder and install it. And if you finish the installation, you will find the add reminders in the extension, and then when you want to set the reminder, you can just go to the date. For example, I want to set reminder for the submission of the monthly report task, and then you can just click on the date and then click on extension and click on add reminders, and you find the setup or edit reminders. And then here you can just click on add a new reminder, and here you can just uh, choose the deadline column and then set reminders. You want to send reminders for from 1 hours before, or 1 days before, or 1 week, or 1 month, or even a year. Or you can also set it after the time. So I'm going to, okay, 1 hours before is, I think, is enough. And then notify me and then notify people in. So if you have a collaborator in your file, you can also notify other people. And then when you're done setting the reminder, just click on done. Okay, just wait. And just like that, the reminder has been added into your Google Sheet. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.